State two factors on which the speed of a wave traveling in a medium depends. The two factors on which the speed of a wave traveling in a medium depends are I. Elasticity and E. Density. A wave passes from one medium to another medium. Mention one property of the wave out of speed, frequency or wavelength, I, which changes, E, which does not change. Answer, I. When a wave passes from one medium to another medium, the wavelength, or speed, of the wave changes. E. When a wave passes from one medium to another medium, the frequency of the wave does not change. What is meant by an echo? State two conditions necessary for an echo to be heard distinctly. Answer. The sound heard after reflection from a distant obstacle, such as a cliff, a hillside, the wall of a building, edge of a forest, etc., after the original sound has ceased, is called an echo. The two conditions for an echo to be heard distinctly are: the minimum distance between the source of sound, or observer, and the reflector in the air must be 17 meters. The size of the reflector must be large enough as compared to the wavelength of the sound wave. A man is standing at a distance of 12 meters from a cliff. Will he be able to hear a clear echo of his sound? Give a reason for your answer. Answer. Speed of sound, v, equals total distance traveled, 2d, time interval, t, total distance traveled by the sound in going and then coming back equals 2d. Given, d equals 12 meters, v equals 340 milliseconds minus 1. Substituting the values in the formula above, we get 340 equals 2 times 12, t equals 2 times 12 340ths, t equals 0.07 s. Hence, time equals 0.07 s. An important condition for hearing an echo is that the reflected sound should reach the ear only after a lapse of at least 0.1 s after the original sound dies off. The time in this case is less than 0.1 s, hence, the man will not hear the echo. State two applications of echo. Answer. The applications of echo are: dolphins detect their enemy and obstacle by emitting the ultrasonic waves and hearing their echo. In medical field, echo method of ultrasonic wave is used for imaging the human organs, such as liver, gallbladder, uterus, womb, etc. This is called ultrasonography. Explain how the speed of sound can be determined by the method of echo. Answer. The echo method can be used to determine the speed of sound in air. For this, sound is produced from a place at a known distance, say, d, at least 50 meters from the reflecting surface. The time interval t in which the echo reaches the place from where the sound was produced is noted by a stopwatch having the least count 0.01 s. Then the speed is calculated by using the following relation. V equals total distance traveled, time interval. V equals 2d, t. The experiment is repeated several times and then the average value of speed of sound v is determined.
For any inquiries or assistance, feel free to reach out to us on WhatsApp at +91 99660 88208. We're here to help and look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.